everybody, it's Tom with KY Travelers. Just coming to you folks, I want to give a review of the underwater camera that we purchased here a while back. We went on Amazon and we found the Crosstour Ct7000. If you folks choose to get this or something like this, it'll come in a box that looks a whole lot like this. Then when you open the box up, you'll have the camera in it, and you'll also have a box that says accessories. You get several accessories with this camera. You get the waterproof case. You'll get several short and long, what I call pin mounts. There's a bicycle mount, some camera mounts with some adhesive strips, some wrist straps. There's several different accessories that come with this camera, but I want to focus on the camera here just a little bit. This is it. This is the Crosstour Ct7000 in its waterproof case. It's just a small little lightweight camera. On the front of it you have the power button. On the sides you have the selectors, the up and down, and on the top you have what I call the shutter button. And I'm going to turn it on real quick just so you folks can see the 2-inch display screen that's on the back of it. It's a full color display. From there you can select the different modes, either camera mode, car mode, picture mode, or you can review the different settings that you have. And on the top, just whichever mode you're in, just push the button to take a picture or take a video. I'm going to include some pictures and some video clips in this vlog just to show you the type of pictures that it takes and how good the quality I think it is. But I want to pop this out of the waterproof case real quick. It comes out pretty quickly. On the side of it, you have the selector buttons that are actually on the camera, the up and down. On the opposite side, you have the connectors for the USB to either charge the battery or to download the information to your computer, your laptop, however you want to do it. On the bottom is the battery compartment. And then just beside the USB connection port is where you put your memory card. This camera will support up to an 8 gig memory card. The SD micro card is the one that it uses. On the bottom, the battery compartment has a little flap. Sometimes you have to use a strong fingernail or a small screwdriver to pop it open. The good thing I like with this camera, one of the things that convinced me that this might be the one we wanted, is it actually comes with extra battery. Some of the adventure cameras I've seen only come with one battery, so you run into the charging issue and stuff like that. But this one actually comes with a spare battery, which I thought was great. And you also get the handy dandy power cord. Now this is the Crosstour brand. It's not a GoPro brand. Sorry, tongue's a little tied this evening. But on the outside of the waterproof case and for all the accessories, it has what I refer to as the adventure camera style of mounting system. Basically what it means is all of the adventure cameras, the Crosstours, the GoPro series, the 3 through the 7, I won't call them off brands, but just all the other adventure camera series, that they use the same type of mount. So if you have some GoPro mounts or you happen to find some GoPro mounts, they will work and mount up with this beautifully. We actually got an accessory kit that we found on Amazon as well, that's marketed under the GoPro name, but it's got a bunch of different accessories in here. It comes with a selfie stick, a little miniature tripod. It actually comes with the floating handle. It's got a headband strap. It's got the chest harness. It's got several wrist harnesses and wrist straps. And it comes in a packable, I won't really call it nylon because it's kind of a semi-rigid plastic case that's nylon coated. But this thing's great. I really love it. But I just wanted to throw that in there because I like that product as well. But there's quite a few accessories that come with this thing, and there's all kinds of accessories that are available. And like I said, any GoPro accessory, Any Crosstour accessory will work with these cameras. Just wanted to give you folks an overview of one of the underwater cameras that we use. There's another one that we use. I'll do another review on in a different video. And also the camera that my Brenda is filming me with right now. We're going to do a review on that too. But I see a lot of fellow vloggers that talk about the equipment and the cameras and stuff they use, and I just wanted to give you folks an insight to some of the stuff that we have and we use. If you like this kind of video, you want to see more videos like this, just hit that like button. If you haven't already done so, I invite you to subscribe to our channel, KY Travelers. You can follow us on our Instagram or our Facebook page. And if you'd like, hit that little bell, the little notification. That lets you be one of the first ones to know whenever we put new content on here. So I'm going to let you folks get back to what you're doing. I'm going to start cleaning up my accessories and the little mess I made here so we can finish out our evening. And until then, we'll talk to y'all later. See y'all.